Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe. तू माझ्यासोबत ये. Come along with me. Come along with me. आम्ही रस्त्याच्या कडेला चालत होतो. We were walking along the road. We were walking along the road. तो नदीच्या काठाने चालत होता. He was walking along the river. He was walking along the river. माझ्यासोबत तुझा भाऊही येऊ शकतो. Your brother can come along with me. Your brother can come along with me. ती तिच्या मैत्रिणीसोबत आली. She came along with her friend. She came along with her friend. आम्ही समुद्र किनाऱ्याच्या बाजूने फिरलो. We walk along the beach. We walk along the beach. तो हळूहळू माझ्यासोबत चालत होता. He was walking along with me slowly. मुलं रस्त्याच्या कडेला खेळत होती. The children were playing along the road. मी त्याला माझ्यासोबत आणले. I brought him along with me. ती गाण्यासोबत गुणगुणत होती. She was singing along with the song. तो आमच्यासोबत बाजारात आला. He came along with us to the market. आम्ही बागेच्या बाजूने चाललो. We walk along the garden. We walk along the garden. तू माझ्यासोबत शाळेत ये. Come along with me to school. Come along with me to school. तो रस्त्याच्या कडेला धावत होता. He was running along the road. He was running along the road. ती आमच्यासोबत प्रवासाला आली. She came along with us on the trip. She came along with us on the trip. आम्ही नदीच्या काठाने सायकल चालवली. We rode bicycles along with the river. तो माझ्यासोबत शांतपणे चालत होता. He was walking along with me quietly. ती तिच्या बहिणीसोबत आली. She came along with her sister. आम्ही रस्त्याच्या कडेला झाडे पाहिली. We saw trees along the road. तो माझ्यासोबत कार्यक्रमाला आला. He came along with me to the program. Please subscribe my channel.